everyone, Kennedy here from Our Friendly World, and in this video I'm going to explain how to crochet a single crochet decrease. If you'd like to learn how to crochet or you need to brush up on the basics, make sure you check out the link below the video to access your free Learn to Crochet video guide. We have one version for lefties and one version for righties. Now, a decrease can be used in flat and round pieces in crochet. You'll find it a lot when you're working amigurumi or small crochet stuffed animals. So I'm going to show you on my round piece here, but the same technique applies if you're working in rows as if you're working in rounds. So now I'm just going to get right into showing you how to create a decrease. So when you're making a decrease, you want to take the next two stitches. So here's my first single crochet stitch and my second single crochet stitch, and you want to turn those into one stitch. So the way you're going to do that is by inserting your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, then insert your hook into the following stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all three loops on the hook. So now you've created one stitch, but you worked it across two stitches. If you were working a specific pattern, you would typically mark this as your first stitch, and then I'm going to go ahead and work two single crochet, and then I'm going to decrease again over my next two stitches. So here's my first stitch and my second stitch. Insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have three loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all three loops on the hook. And now you've created a decrease. And you can do this multiple times in a row if your pattern calls for it. So here we would look at our next two stitches. I'm going to go a little faster this time. Insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the following stitch, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all three loops on the hook. And now you've turned two stitches from the previous row into one stitch for this row, decreasing your number of stitches by one. If you have any questions about working a decrease on your crochet projects, feel free to reach out in the comments below, and be sure to check out this playlist for more quick and easy crochet tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching!